Drink this before going to bed to help burn belly fat. Sometimes it feels like reducing stubborn belly fat is a full-time job. And who has time for it? In our busy lives full of multitasking and brain-busting, simply carving out the time for exercise can be a real challenge. That's not to mention the effort it takes to research proper nutrition, source and learn new recipes, and cook most meals from scratch. Of course, all of this work represents time well spent, as excess belly fat has been linked to diseases as scary as cancer, heart disease, and dementia. In other words, if you don't take the time to manage your health, it could abandon you when you least expect it. We're not here to shame you, though, but to make your life easier. We have a recipe to share that can actually help burn belly fat while you sleep. Your overall diet and activity level also matter when you're trying to achieve a slender waist and strong heart, but multitasking these efforts with another vital piece of the wellness puzzle, sleep, can really give you a boost. Stick with us to the end to see the recipe. First, we'll be breaking down the reasons why each individual element is so effective, and you can use the information to personalize the recipe to your own goals. Wait until you see ingredient number 6. We bet you'll be surprised by how it helps. 1. Water. More water is the starting place for virtually all health concerns, weight loss included. For one thing, drinking more water keeps you feeling full with less food. But even better, chugging water has been found to increase the number of calories burned for an entire hour after you drink it. Cold water especially seems to spur a 25% increase in resting body expenditure, or calories burned while doing nothing. In fact, boosting your daily water consumption over 1 liter could net you an extra 4.4 pounds of weight lost over a year's time. 2. Cucumber. According to recent research, eating a diet high in foods that contain a lot of water but very few calories can be an effective strategy for jump-starting weight loss. Cucumbers fit the bill perfectly. 1 cup of it contains just 16 calories but lots of water and fiber. Cucumber can also boost metabolism and contains a good amount of vitamin C, which helps burn fat at the cellular level. Finally, cucumber is a natural diuretic, so you won't hold on to excess water weight from all the fluid you're getting. 3. Lemon. Lemon water is a pretty big trend in weight loss, but studies show that it only really works when it is used to replace other beverages that may be packing on the pounds, like soda, juice, or heavily sweetened coffee. Still, lemon adds a flavorful zing to beverages and makes them more palatable. And it contains vitamin C to aid fat burning and, like cucumber, is a mild diuretic that reduces bloating. 4. Ginger. Ginger is not only delicious, but can actually help to control appetite through regulation of blood sugar and serum cholesterol. It is when our blood sugar dips that we are hit with the cravings that lead to snacking and overeating. Including it in our bedtime smoothie recipe sets you up for a good day's diet when you wake. Ginger is also great for suppressing the stress hormone cortisol, which is linked with fat storage. It interrupts the vicious cycle that has you reaching for the candy when you feel stressed, then storing all of that extra fat around your middle because of the cortisol that made you feel stressed in the first place. 5. Parsley or cilantro. Parsley and cilantro are related herbs from the Apiaceae family and are both high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They help with complaints like bloating, nausea, stress, indigestion, gas, and cramps. Basically, adding one or the other of these herbs to your bedtime drink keeps your system calm as all that fat burning takes place. Cilantro is additionally known for improving nutrient absorption and stimulating circulation. However, it has a much more powerful flavor than parsley, and some people simply cannot stand it. Feel free to use whichever herb you prefer in this recipe. 6. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is included in this recipe because it is a mild natural laxative. We do not recommend relying on a laxative of any kind for weight loss, but the recipe we are going to share contains a fair amount of fiber. Whenever you increase your fiber intake, you may experience constipation and bloating as your body adjusts. Since bloating and constipation just make you feel heavier, we want to counteract the side effects of extra fiber. Just make sure to buy the aloe vera juice that is made from the whole leaf, rather than the gel inside, or you won't get the laxative effect you need.